Ever pondered about the best foods to aid your weight loss journey? Today, we dive into that very topic, unraveling the top 10 foods that can help you shed those extra pounds. First on our list is a food item that is often underestimated: leafy green vegetables. Packed with fiber and low in both calories and carbohydrates, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collards can be a great addition to your meals, giving you a feeling of fullness without the unnecessary calories. Next up, we have the humble avocado. Unlike most fruits, avocados are loaded with healthy fats instead of carbs. They're particularly high in monounsaturated oleic acid, the same type of fat found in olive oil. Avocados also contain plenty of water and fiber, making them less energy-dense than you may think. Third on our list, we have whole eggs. Once feared for being high in cholesterol, whole eggs have made a comeback. They're high in protein and healthy fats, and can make you feel full with a very low amount of calories. The fourth food to consider is salmon. This oily fish is incredibly healthy and satisfying, keeping you full for many hours with relatively few calories. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and various important nutrients. Next, we're talking about cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Like other vegetables, they're high in fiber and tend to be incredibly filling. What's more, these types of veggies also tend to contain decent amounts of protein. Sixth on our list is lean beef and chicken breast. Meat has been unfairly demonized. It is a high-quality protein source, and eating a high-protein diet can make you burn up to 80 to 100 more calories per day. Then we have boiled potatoes. Yes, you heard right. They have several properties that make them a perfect food for weight loss and optimal health. They're particularly high in potassium, a nutrient that most people don't get enough of, and that plays an important role in blood pressure control. The eighth food is cottage cheese. Dairy products tend to be high in protein. One of the best ones is cottage cheese, which, calorie for calorie, is mostly protein with very few carbs and little fat. Next, we have soups. Meals and diets with a low energy density tend to make people eat fewer calories. Most foods with a low energy density are those that contain lots of water, such as vegetables and fruits. But you can also just add water to your food by making a soup. Last, but certainly not least, we have nuts. Despite being high in fat, nuts are incredibly nutritious and healthy. They're loaded with magnesium, fiber, and various beneficial nutrients that can help you lose weight. To summarize, if you're on a weight loss journey, consider incorporating more leafy greens, avocados, whole eggs, salmon, cruciferous vegetables, lean meats, boiled potatoes, cottage cheese, soups, and nuts into your diet. These foods are not only nutritious but also filling, making them excellent choices for weight loss. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going, and you'll see results in due time.